Hi, I'm Bryan with Pioneer Builders. I'm a professional building contractor over in Washington State, and today I'm going to talk to you about the realities of construction and how we can fix it. Let's get into it. So the situation was the house next door was being finished. All of a sudden water started coming out because one of the guys decided to put the water back on because he needed it, and we hadn't checked it all out and he was by himself. So anyway, here's what we ended up finding. This is a traced valve by Gerber. We have the same one next door. They're the same floor plan. Somebody had probably taken like a vice grip or something, attached it to this point, and just shredded it. I still have no idea what exactly happened or who would have done such a thing, but I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time sleuthing it out. It doesn't do me any good, and it doesn't do anybody else any good. Okay, so thankfully we're building the same floor plan next door. So I pirated this little insert to be able to put it over there. This is just a temporary valve. If you want, I've got a whole nother video where I deep dive into these valves. You want to save that insert for a homeowner for the future in case they ever do any remodeling and want to test certain parts of the plumbing system. So in any case, we're going to be getting concrete at this job on Wednesday, and I want to make sure that I have water at this house. So Gerber was kind enough to send me out another one of these traced valves. You take off this cover piece, pull the insert. Again, the insert was the part that was busted up. And you see those, how you can see through that there? If this was in series, the cold and hot water would be able to come out. So you want to make sure that that's turned, and that you can tell that there. Plug it, put the cover plate back on, and voila, we are good to go. However, my brother-in-law is with me today. We're going to slowly turn on the water. We will both have our cell phones handy, and we're just going to make sure that everything's holding under pressure. Anyway, it's just kind of nice if you're a builder to understand the ins and outs of some of these things so that you can fix it, get it done quickly, and keep moving on with your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a follow on Instagram at Pioneer Builders Inc. Now go build something.